slide takes into consideration the implications and follow-up actions in preparation for CAC 49 and item 4.7 in preparation for CAC 49. And next. Now we move to the key outcomes of the CCFL 49, which will be approved during the CAC 49. First, precautionary allergen labeling guidelines advanced to CAC 49 to be adopted in step 8. Secondly, multi-pack and joint presentation labeling provisions advanced to step 5.8 among the food codex. Third, guidelines on food labeling in emergencies advanced to step 5.8 under the food codex procedures to continue the adoption processes. 4. In addition to that, regional standard for معمول under the Near East labeling provisions endorsed. Also, consensus reached on COO, COH provisions for spices, including finalization of origin labeling provisions for saffron. Finally, strategic discussions on future CCFL work and emerging issues, and that reflected the progress achieved to develop the labeling standards and to boost human health protection. Next. The country of harvest was tackled in food labeling of spices, and key conclusions are reached. CCFL 49 endorsed 9 guiding conclusions developed through the EWG process to support future CCSCH discussions on origin-related labeling for spices and culinary herbs. Consensus was reached that for dried saffron, the country of origin and country of harvest are the same, resolving a long-standing issue referred from CCSH, CCE, EXAC, and CAC. Agreed on practical compromise for saffron labeling to determine country of region, region of harvest, footnote, and the committee recommended a stronger coordination between the CCSCH and CCFL. Next. Agenda item 5, precautionary allergen labeling has been done and to be advanced to the Food Codex CAC 49 for adoption in step 8. And the risk assessment is the basis and to be used only when there is allergen or PAL decisions reaching the risks as determined. And also the gluten reference dose established at 4 milligrams to support implementation of the guidelines. FAWN, who requested to support implementation through capacity building and digital tools through the CCNE region, expressed its intention to be included in any future capacity building activities in this regard. In the future, especially. Next, please. Next. In this slide, the committee discussed multi-pack and joint presentation formats. First, clarifying labeling requirements for multi-packs and group products, including the components and the net weight expiry date on the outface of the pack. Providing rules for ingredient declaration on outer packaging, clarifies net content, forwarding to CAC 49 for adoption at step 5.8. Next. In this slide, we tackled in this slide, the committee tackled food labeling in emergencies. First, providing guidance for temporary labeling flexibilities during emergencies. And flexibilities must be temporary, justified, proportionate, and risk-based. And also emphasizing to maintain food safety and allergen information must remain protected. And for imported or exported countries, an important country agreement required. forwarding all of these guidelines to CAC 49 for final adoption at step 5.8. Next. In this slide, the CCNE tackled the relevance and future work, like the regional standards for Mamul, Near East, and Dorset. In addition to the additional standards in Dorset for several food items, and put in a strategic plan for CCFL to be developed. In addition to the alcohol labeling remains in future work inventory, and further work on definition of small packages, ultra-processed foods. No new work initiated. Topic may be revisited upon submission of a clearer proposal. Thank you very much.